All right, so when you're catching spikes, some people want to, this is what some people want to do. When it's going up, like for example, 1 minute now, as it's going up, some people want to start selling from here, right here, like that. It's risky. Now, for you to sell, when market is actually going up, when the market is actually going up, for example, let me look for a level. Okay, so let's say when it was going up here, this one here, when it was coming up, you cannot just start selling. Some people want to sell at a resistance around this level. Let's say this is a resistance. You put a line like this, and this is your resistance. Some people want to start selling it at this very point. Yes, it might happen. It could happen, right? But it's risky. It's very, very risky. I've been trading boom and crash. I've been catching spikes for a while now, for years now. If you check my videos, you check my first video, you know that I've been trading boom and crash for like 5 to 6 years now. Okay, 5 to 6 years now. So I have enough experience, right? So when you want to catch spikes, you don't just enter here around this price. You might be lucky and it spikes. You want to enter when it has given you weakness, bullish weakness. Now, if you want to sell, let's say you're trading the crash, you want to catch spikes on crash, you have to wait for it to crash first. When it crashes, it shows you, it gives you this information that this is what is happening right now in the market, that sellers are actually in charge. Sellers are in charge. Do you understand? That's what it tells. The sellers are in charge. This rejection, that what it means. It shows weakness, bullish weakness right here. It shows that buyers are now out. They've opted out. They've pulled out their investment, and sellers are in charge. That's the signal it gives you. Then this is where you're selling it. Immediately it closes, you're selling from this price. You make more money that way. But if you want to start selling when it's actually going up like that, you can only be lucky it spikes. And sometimes it might not spike instantly. It might go up far from your entry before it spikes, and it gives you very tiny profits. But you have to wait for it to give you a sign that it's about to go down. That footprint, that it's ready to go down before you enter. Do you understand? That's what I did here, like this one here. I actually missed this first one. This would have been an amazing catch. Here, I would have risked almost my entire account here with this kind of spike, with this kind of candlestick. You see this candlestick? This very candlestick. If it closes like this on boom and crash, especially after entering my zone, my green zone, I know it's coming down. You need to learn how to map this green zone, to identify this green zone, so that whenever market gets to your green zone, you know it's time for it to buy or sell. This has been helping me. You can see this one here. I think I was in the bathroom when it happened. I came out to see this. I was so pissed because from here to this place, with the least lot size, it will give you about, I think about $18 or more to this place, or $20 thereabout, about $20. Yeah, $20 from here to this place is about $20. That means with one lot size, I've seen $100. If I open 5 positions, I've seen $500 in just a few minutes, and I'm done for the day. You can do 10 lot size. That's $1,000. You're fine, bro. You just close out and relax for the day. Enjoy yourself. Take your family out. Do you understand? So catching spikes is very easy. Now, this one here, why did I sell from this price? Let me show you. You need to join and catch spikes with me. I'm catching spikes with the team. All right? You need to join and catch spikes. Look at this one here. Check out the 5 minutes time frame. I wanted to sell it somewhere here when I saw this strong bearish candlestick. So before I waited for it to come over, I thought it would touch this green zone again before the drop. It did not touch the green zone. It started spiking. Immediately, this one closed like this. This shows weakness. This shows that sellers are in charge. This rejection alone shows that sellers are in charge. After this rejection, I opened multiple positions at that price. You see the spike? I had to open another one right here again. You see what is happening? So you must wait for it to give you that sign that it's ready to sell. Bro, there's so much to learn. If you join the academy, I'll teach you so much. I'll show you a whole lot of stuff to guide you, help you make consistent profit from the market. Catching up spikes is very sweet. I could just open and make $500. Just opening positions, it spikes and give me $500 and I'm out instantly. So you need to know the weakness and you need to know the levels it will sell from. You see this green level here? You need to learn to know this level, how to identify that level, that green zone. I call it green zone. That's my green zone. Once market enters that green zone, something must happen. Yes, I'll make money. Can see that market just entered the green zone. I made money. So you need to learn how to identify the green zone. So from the higher time frame, you need to understand where is it coming from and where is it going to. Do you understand? On the higher time frame, where is it coming from and where is it going to? Once you know that, it makes the work easy. Now let's check Boom 1000. I want to buy. Jesus Christ. No, bro. I wanted to buy Boom 1000. You see the green zone? You see the green zone? You need to learn how to identify the green zone, bro. You see what is happening? Wow. So peace right now. I miss. Oh God. They would have given me so much money from here, from this level right there. You see, from my green zone, it started spiking. I would have entered here with big lot size. Big lot size. Big lot size. And you make your money, bro. This happened just in 10 minutes. Just 10 minutes. The first spike right there. Stopped here on the 5 minutes. And another one here. In less than 10 minutes, you've gotten, you made your money, bro. And you just up out. Sorry, you just up out. So you can see now, I told you I wanted to buy at, see, 1 minute, 2, 3, like in less than what I said, different time. It's not just like 5 minutes, you've made your money. In 5 minutes, you've made so much, like $500. So you need to learn to know the green zones. Learn to know those green zones, know those levels. So like this one again, you need to see the weakness. You see, I had to wait for it to get to the green zone and then spike and give me the sign that it's ready to move. You don't just jump in and start making money. You wait for it to give you that sign that, bro, I'm ready to go. I know some people don't want to miss that sniper entry, but it's better you know where it's going than making a sniper entry and it still deceives you and the bearish pressure is still high. See, I think I was on a call with my friend. I missed this, or when I started making this video, I can't remember. Because this thing happened just a few minutes ago. Oh my God. I'm so pissed right now. So you can see it's easy to make money. I would have been out since or close some position and move SL. Now the sweet thing with trading the spikes, you can move SL here and as it's coming, it cannot just come fast. It will start coming gradually and you close out because it's not a 2-minute man. Don't mind me. So you close out while it's coming. You can actually know it comes very slow against you, but when it's going in your favor, it spikes and gives you good money, bro. So I love trading the spikes better, like oftentimes. Like I can't remember the last time I traded against the spikes. It's suicidal to me. So you can see that I'm teaching you guys a lot. If you bring all my videos together, you'll be able to do a whole lot. So it is where the guy is going to. This is where the guy is going to. You can see that. That's where the guy is going to. And that has been my target. Why did I miss this setup? Why? Why would I miss this kind of setup? My God. So annoying right now. So guys, you see, we make profits, but sometimes I feel like we get distracted because I think it was a distraction. I was actually focusing on the crash 600 and market started going against me. So you need to know where it's going. The first thing, just identify the key levels on the daily, where market will start spiking from. Then wait for market to get to that level. Wait for market to give you a sign. That shows that if it was selling like as it was selling here down. For it to start buying shows that the sell pressure has reduced. There's no sell pressure anymore. That means that sellers are up, they are closing out their trades, their investments. So now it started spiking with rejection, shows that buyers are in. So you need to start looking for opportunity to as long as the direction market gives you the direction, it's a bullish direction. You can see here, higher high, higher low, higher high, back into the green zone. You need to know the green zone. Once you get into the green zone, start looking for buying opportunity, and that's it, bro. So that'll be all for now. Know the weakness. If you want to learn more on how to catch spikes and make good money, bro, I used to make good money from catching spikes. Thousands of dollars some days, hundreds of dollars some days. Hit me up, chat me, let's make money and grow together. All right. Join the free Telegram channel and join the VIP to make consistent profit for yourself, bro. Consistent profit. All right. So this from this month till the end of the year, I want us to do something. If you have like $100 account, you fund $100 accounts. We want to grow, make 100 to maybe $1,000 by the end of the month. $100 to $1,000 by the end of the month. In 5 months, which is this 5 months that is left, we can make like $5K. Just catching spikes and trading other assets. We can make it happen. Okay, so let's focus on grow together, bro. So that'll be all for now. Trust me up to join the academy, to join this challenge that is coming up of making 5K by the end of the year with just $100. Let's make money together. That'll be all for now, guys. Bye bye.